Yasir maintained a steady income throughout his university years, yet he spent every day on the edge of a total deficit. Every time money touched his account, it seemed to evaporate before he could even plan for the week. It was a rapid sequence of micro-leaks, late-night suya, an emergency data top-up, or a quick jollof rice run for the roommates. This diagram illustrates the mathematical reality of his finances. 3 distinct expenditure streams pulled from his central balance so quickly that his account was forced back to a zero state within hours. He spent months relying on the promise that he would find more willpower once the next allowance arrived. Discipline is difficult to maintain when every daily habit is designed to move money away from you rather than keeping it in place. One evening in the hostel, a friend suggested a change that had nothing to do with budgeting apps or ironclad self-control. He simply activated the Quicksave toggle within the Crust Mfb app. The success of the system depended on him being completely unaware that it was even running. Every time an allowance landed, or he paid for transport, a tiny fraction was skimmed and quietly redirected. By automating the friction, he turned saving into a background process that required zero mental energy to maintain. While Yasir was focused on morning lectures or observing Jamua, the system was quietly executing its tasks. These small packets of capital flowed into what Crust calls a vault, a locked node preventing panic-driven withdrawals. Even while he slept, that central node continued to expand. The system operated independently, requiring zero attention to keep building. True financial stability is often built during the quiet hours when you aren't thinking about your money at all. 3 days before his final exams, the glass on Yasir's phone screen shattered. The repair shop quoted 18,000 naira, a sum that in any previous month would have been an impossible debt to cover. He opened the Crust app, bracing himself, expecting to find the same empty balance he had lived with for years. Without an automated buffer, a broken screen is enough to disrupt an entire exam week. Instead, he found an emergency savings balance of 19,200 naira, capital that had accumulated without him lifting a finger. Yasir paid for the repair, fixed his phone, and walked into his exam with his focus entirely on his studies. His income stayed exactly the same. He simply changed the efficiency of how money was captured. Ensure your money is working as hard as you do. Bank smarter with Crust Mfb. Real security comes from the invisible systems you put in place to work on your behalf, 24 hours a day.